If you're looking to offer listings management services to clients, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Vendasta, one of the best platforms out there for managing business listings online. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to leverage this tool to bring value to your clients and scale your business. First things first, let's talk about what Vendasta actually is. Vendasta is a powerful software platform designed to help digital marketers, agencies, and business owners provide online services. It has a ton of tools, but today we're focusing on listings management. With this feature, you can manage and update your clients' business listings across over 70 sites like Google, Yelp, Bing, and more all in one place. This saves you and your clients time and ensures their business information is always accurate. Now, let's dive into how to actually offer listings management services with Vendasta. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your account, which is super simple. You can try Vendasta for free through the exclusive link below, which gives you access to all the tools you need to get started without any upfront costs. Plus, you'll get some awesome bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform. Next thing, once you're logged into Vendasta, you'll navigate to the listings section. This is where the magic happens. You can start adding business information for your clients, whether they have a single location or multiple. All you need is their business details, and Vendasta does the heavy lifting by syncing it across all of the major directories. The third thing you need to know is that Vendasta also offers monitoring tools. Once you've set up your clients' listings, you can track how their business information is performing across the web. This means you can identify and correct any discrepancies in their listings, which is critical for local SEO. You'll get alerts if any data changes or needs attention, keeping you proactive and responsive to your clients' needs. The fourth thing is that with Vendasta, you can also manage reviews. As a part of listings management, reviews play a huge role in a business's online presence. Vendasta helps you gather, monitor, and respond to reviews across different platforms. This not only keeps the listings accurate, but helps improve client satisfaction and visibility on search engines. One thing I want to emphasize is that you can offer all of this as part of the service to clients without spending hours on manual updates. With Vendasta, everything is automated, saving you and your clients time and effort. As an agency or consultant, this is a huge value add, and it's a service your clients will appreciate. And here's why you'll want to stick around until the end. I've got an exclusive deal just for you. When you sign up using the link below, you'll get an extended free trial of Vendasta with added bonuses, so you can start offering listings management services right away without any cost. This isn't just about offering a service, it's about offering a tool that makes your life easier and helps your clients look great online. With the tools Vendasta provides, you can create a business model that's efficient, scalable, and highly valuable to your clients. To recap, Vendasta is an all-in-one platform where you can manage and monitor business listings, ensuring accuracy and improving online visibility. You can offer this as a service to your clients, and it's as easy as setting them up, syncing the information, and tracking performance. Remember, to get started with an exclusive free trial and some extra bonuses, make sure you use the link below. Don't miss out. This is your chance to add a powerful service to your offerings and start seeing results today.